Well, hey folks, what a change in the weather. The 2nd of October now, and since yesterday and the days leading up to the 1st of October, the weather's just turned pure pants. I actually chose not to go out yesterday. I always have a Friday run. I'll do a bit of work in the morning normally, then I'll go out on the bike, or vice versa. I'll go out on the bike in the morning, then do a bit of work in the afternoon. But yesterday, torrential downpours, no fun, so I just avoided them like the plague. So I figured I've not been out as much as I'd have liked to in the rain, so let's just go for a rainy ride today. I'm sure everybody's sick and tired of all them sunny days. It's words you'll never hear from anybody ever in Scotland. So I'm going to go up this way for a wee change instead of going the Lanark Road the usual way. Unfortunately, there seems to be a shitload of roadworks everywhere I go today. Okay, so the twisties clearly aren't as fun in the rain. But I'm in no rush. I'm just out to get out, basically. No, I'm just not in the mood for filtering through today. You've got to be in the right frame of mind. I'm a bit cold actually. I think the base layers will be coming on soon, like next time. Also my socks, can't find my socks, my waterproof socks. I've came to the conclusion they were in my tail bag on this MT, and it's been one of them days that I've left the tail bag open when I've lost cigarettes. So it turns out I've lost my £40 socks. So I need to buy a pair of them again as well. Jump in the lights when the cops are sitting waiting at the lights. What a doughball. There we go, I just found a perfect stopping spot. And it's not here. Oops. Get down, stand, give us a break. Oh no. Terrible angle for the stand there. That's better. turn them off even though they turn themselves off. Gloves are a bit damp. Gloves are a bit damp. My dad said there's a coating stuff he's got to put on leather and stuff to sort of make it waterproof, partially. I'll just stick that there to dry for a little while I have a smoke break. Oops. Probably scratched my visor on my mirror there. Well, there we go, that was a good wee stop. My feet are cold, folks. God, that's the fastest tractor I've ever seen. My feet are Baltic. So I'm heading home. It's just too chilly. My waterproof gloves definitely aren't waterproof. Well, I never bought them being waterproof gloves, to be fair. I thought they'd last a couple of hours maybe, but no. So the Spada ones that I bought last year, they were more like snowboarding gloves, to be honest, or in fact they weren't even that good. They were more like a go for a snowball fight pair of gloves. But they were waterproof at least. So this is me out practicing in the rain on this lovely October afternoon. And I'm still loving it, apart from not feeling my feet anymore, and my hands are actually alright with the heated grips on, but my gloves felt twice the weight they were when I put them on when I stopped there for a bit, so they're quite sodden with water. One thing I like about riding in this time of year is no bugs. No bug splat all over your helmet, all over your jacket, all over your GoPro lens. Instead you've got water droplets to contend with. Speaking of which, just give that another little wipe. So I'm lost again. I'm sort of roughly heading towards my neck of the woods. Oh wait a minute, this is the way I came. So there we go, I'm actually heading towards my neck of the woods, even though I didn't know I was. I lost my bearings there when I stopped for a bit, I must admit. The rain is draining my brain. Now it's pretty important to stay warm while you're riding, and don't get caught up in the old it's a fashion parade when it comes to gear. Buy something suitable for the seasons, and I mean all seasons. If you're living in Scotland as well, if you're just starting out, I'd honestly recommend just buying a textile jacket. You can wear it all year round. Welcome to North Lanarkshire. I've jumped the border. I've no clue where this is going to take me. And the rain's getting blooming heavier. I think I'll go round the pavement. Fuck it, what's the worst that can happen? Famous last words by many, I'm sure. Oh, getting clotheslined by weeds. Oh, I don't like all this green moss all over the pavement, if I'm honest. That looks pretty sketchy. Oh, look at that, perfecto. Oh, let's shut that visor again, folks. Full on high pressure face wash there. Well, that wasn't too bad. But no, I certainly picked a good day to go out and ride in the rain. Since it was my sole intention, I can't really complain. Gutted about losing them socks, right enough. So I'm going left and right. I've got the Kalimoto on now. And I should find my way home using that, hopefully. I've been going round in circles here because there's a road shut. Oops, that'll be second gear I'm pulling away on. So now the rain's off at least. So thanks for watching, folks. It's not been a very exciting ride, but it's important to get out there and get a bit of practice if you're in my boat and you've only been riding 13 months. The good weather is good when it's here, but it can be that way forever. So if you've never ridden in the rain or even the wetness, make sure you practice. Don't get stuck out there and get caught off guard. Well, that's the rain back on again as always. So I think I'll leave yous at that, folks. Peace out and cheers for watching. Take it easy.